Zenvo Sports Car is the first ever Danish car project. It's a supercar. It's got 1104 horsepower, does 375 kilometers an hour, 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. The price is 850,000 euro. It's designed and built in Denmark, which is quite unique. The design is being based on what we believe is a new interpretation of Danish design tradition. We talk about design continuity as the main thing about the car. That means that the elements of the car and the lines of the car are very continuous all around the car, so that the front, side and rear has a lot of connection.
What about just came back from Dubai? What has he been doing down there?
The Dubai trip was a PR trip to basically sell the car. And the first 4 potential buyers that tried the car already had a Bugatti Veyron. So this says a little bit about how exclusive the car is. Even though you have a Veyron, you still want to buy this car.
And what did it mean that it came from Dubai and then came to Denmark regarding to cleaning?
A lot. I mean, there's a lot of sand in Dubai, and the grains are very fine. So the car has been totally disassembled and assembled again, cleaned and assembled again to go here today. Probably 5 or 10 kilos lighter.
What about, is it possible to drive on a normal road in a Zenvo?
Absolutely. The overall goal of the car, of the project, was to make a car that was everyday drivable. So whether or not you want to go down picking up a newspaper in the car, or whether you want to go